Good morning, everybody. In this class, we'll discuss the story or triumph of surgery by Mr. James Harriet. James Harriet is the story writer. He is the author of this story. This is chapter 1 of the supplementary English literature textbook, Footprints Without Foot, for class 10. So before I begin with the explanation, first of all we will talk about the author of the story, Mr. James Harriet. Students, you must make a note of it that author Mr. James Harriet was born on 3rd October 1916 in England, and he was a noted veterinary surgeon as well as a prolific English writer. And during his writing career, he has written a series of stories about animals, where he talks about his vast and rich experience as a veterinary surgeon related to animals. Mr. Harriet died on 23rd February 1995 at the age of 78. Okay, and now let's begin with the story. Let us see what is there, how the story moves on. A triumph of surgery. I must tell you the meaning of this title that comes out. The meaning of triumph is success or achievement, and the meaning of surgery here refers to the place where animals are treated. Okay, so the story talks about the success of a surgery. Okay, and if I tell you about the major characters in the story, there are two main characters here. One is Mr. Harriet, the well-known veterinary surgeon, and the other is a rich lady, Mrs. Pumphrey. And the story is about a dog which has been domesticated by Mrs. Pumphrey, the rich lady in the story. Initially, what happens in the story, Mr. Harriet becomes very sad to see the pathetic condition of a dog. Why? What has happened to a dog? It had become hugely fat. Okay, and it looks very terrible. It looks horrible. The dog's condition had become so critical that it could not walk in a proper. And that's what made Mr. Harriet feel very much worried about him. Okay. He looks like a bloated sausage. The meaning of bloated is swollen, and the sausage means a food item cylindrical in shape, in which some meat or other things are stuffed in between. So this is a sort of comparison that the author has made for describing the poor condition of her dog. Poor condition of Tricky. Tricky is the name of a dog. His eyes are red and gloomy. What about the eyes of dog? Eyes of Tricky. They have become terribly red in color. And really, means continuously there was watery discharge from his two eyes. She has given him malt and cod liver oil and a ball of Horlicks every night. And this is what Mrs. Pumphrey now describes, that what are the things, different food items that she has been giving to her dog every day on regular basis. She does all this because she loves her dog very much. Okay, and she wants to build him up. She wants to make him physically strong. That is why everything that he wants is given by her. Okay, too tricky. Like cod liver oil, malt, Horlicks every day after supper at night, so that he can sleep comfortably. But nothing works. Despite getting so many food items, healthy food items, The dog has not been keeping well. He had become terribly fat. He had become so fat that he cannot even walk in a proper way. Now, this is when Mr. James Harriet, the veterinary surgeon, advises Mrs. Pompey to be very, very careful about her dog's diet plan. Okay, and James Harriet realizes that Creaky's only fault was greed for food. As Mrs. Pompey tells the doctor, Mr. Harriet, that she cannot refuse giving anything to her dog, and she tells that her dog Creaky can tackle any food item, no matter how heavy or light it is, at any hour of the day. If anything given to him, he can eat it up. Okay, and that is the whole trouble that Mr. Harriet comes to know. Because of overfeeding only, he had become so fat. Dr. James Harriet advises Mrs. Pompey that she must cut down on Creaky's food items as soon as possible. Especially Mr. Harriet had instructed her not to give too many sweet food items because they were very dangerous for his health. And because of giving too many sweets and other sweet items like cream cakes, bars of chocolates, the dog had become terribly fat. Okay, so she must give some dog exercise, must keep on a very strict diet, otherwise he will fall ill. So these were the sort of instructions once again given by Dr. Harriet to Mrs. Pompey, that only giving these food items to your dog is not everything that he needs to stay healthy and fit. There are a lot of other things that you must take care of. Mr. Harriet advises Mrs. Pompey that Creaky must be given plenty of exercises every day. Plenty of physical exercises and a lot of other exercises on regular basis, like jumping, jogging, running, walking, and ring throwing exercises. Okay, so these physical exercises are very, very important for Creaky. So she must be very much careful, and she must ensure that Creaky is getting plenty of physical exercises every day, doing plenty of exercises every day to remain healthy and fit. Otherwise, what would happen to her dog? The dog might fall seriously ill at any time. Okay, these sorts of advices were given by Mr. Harriet to Mrs. Pompey. Okay. Then after this, what happens in the story? Within a few days, what happens? After this meeting with Mrs. Pompey, okay, what happens in the story, how the story moves on? Dr. Harriet receives a call from Mrs. Pompey saying that her dog is not keeping well, is not eating anything. He has started refusing even his favorite food items like cream cakes, bars of chocolates. Okay, all these things were told on phone by Mrs. Pompey, and he has been vomiting regularly. He only lies down on the rug panting. The doctor advises her that Creaky needs to be hospitalized for a fortnight. Mrs. Pompey says to Mr. Harriet that her dog now does not want to do anything. He doesn't want to go for physical exercises, doesn't want to eat or drink anything. He only keeps on sitting at one place on the floor, on the carpet, okay, panting and breathing heavily. So all these very poor and bad condition were described by Mrs. Pumphrey to Mr. Harriet over phone. So this is when Mr. Harriet advises Mrs. Pumphrey to hospitalize her dog. He told her that Tricky need to be hospitalized very soon. Only then he could be cured of his illness. Okay, he is to be kept under observation. Dr. Harriet told her that I want him to be hospitalized at my surgery at least for a fortnight, and I want to keep your dog under my supervision. Okay. Thereafter, what happens? Tricky now was hospitalized. He came into the clinic of Mr. Harriet, and at the surgery, what happens? All other dogs came to him. When they saw that a new figure had come to the surgery, they all become very happy and excited, and they all came running to Tricky, where he had been sitting. They started making rounds, okay, where he had been sitting there. And thereafter what happened? He sees them lying motionless. As Tricky at this moment was in a very bad condition, he was critically ill, so he cannot do any of the activities. He had been lying there motionless on the floor. Okay, so a bed for Tricky was made by Mr. Harriet, okay, in a warm loose box at the surgery, so that he can live comfortably over there. And for 2 days what happened? He was given no food but only plenty of water. For first 2 days, Mr. Harriet gave him nothing to eat, but only plenty of water to drink. And on the second day what happens? He starts taking some interest in his surroundings, very slowly and casually. What happens to Tricky? He begins to take interest in the nearby surrounding. Okay. And on the third day he begins to whimper. When he hears the dog in the yard, now he can see, he can hear the sound of other dogs playing in the garden, playing in the yard. He also becomes excited to get along with them, to go into the garden and to play with them. Tricky starts taking a walk around the walls, looking casually inside one or two of them. And every day what happens at Mr. Harriet's surgery, at the time of meals when all the dogs were called for eating, there was a great fight and there was a great noise among all the dogs. They all begin to come down there to take their share of food. And there was a great hustle and bustle all around at the clinic. Okay? And every dog wants to come forward first. And okay, eats what is there in the ball. So Tricky also now starts kicking and elbowing, pushing everyone aside to make his way to reach the ball of food, so that he can come down first and he can take everything that he is given. Okay, he also begins to fight with everyone there to come near the ball for eating. Rapid progress, Tricky's progress is rapid. He has no medical treatment of any kind. And there was a tremendous change. There came a tremendous change in the health of Tricky there. And though he was not given any sort of medical treatment over there, and then he started running and joining their friends, barking at them, playing into the garden with other dogs at the surgery in the open yard. He starts fighting for his share of food and hunts rats at night. All these activities became favorite of Tricky. Started hunting for rats at night, okay, and also started fighting with other dogs for getting the share of his food. And then what happened? One day now, Mr. Harriet gives a phone call to Mrs. Pumphrey and tells her that now her dog had been taken away. Okay, now there is a rapid progress in Tricky's health. All these things, happy news was given to Mrs. Pumphrey by Mr. Harriet. Okay, that he is out of danger now and he was recovering rapidly. Mrs. Pumphrey starts bringing eggs 2 dozens at a time and build him up. Okay, to build up his strength, wine and brandy are given to improve Tricky's constitution. So the moment the rich lady Mrs. Pumphrey comes to know that now her dog was out of danger, he had started making rapid progress, he became once again very much concerned about his health. And she started bringing a lot of other bodybuilding food items, energy giving food items, like a bottle of brandy, bottle of wine, and 2 dozens of eggs, 2 dozen of eggs every day, so that she can build him up very soon. Okay, wine and brandy are given to improve Tricky's constitution. Means Tricky's health को improve करने के लिए brandy and bottle of wine were also brought by Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay, the doctor informed that Tricky has recovered and Mrs. Pumphrey can correct him. And after a few days, this happy news was given by Mr. Harriet to Mrs. Pumphrey that now your dog is out of danger. Okay, now there is no any problem with him and she can come and take away her pet from there. The lady became very happy and excited, and within 2 weeks what happened? Tricky has been transformed into a flexible, hard muscle animal. Now he had become totally healthy dog, though he had not been given any medical treatment. Right? So he is stretching out in great bounds. When Tricky sees his mistress, he leaps and sails into her lap. And Mrs. Pumphrey came there in a big luxurious car to take Tricky away from there. And Tricky, when he saw his rich mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, he became very happy and excited, and he leapt and sailed into her lap in the car. As the car moves away, Mrs. Pumphrey leans out of the window, her lips tremble and tears shine in her eyes. She says, "Oh, Mr. Harriet, how can I ever thank you?" Now Mrs. Pumphrey was very happy. She was overjoyed. She was too elated that her dog was now out of danger. Now she could play with him. She could take him away from there. And Mr. Harriet could see that her eyes were full of tears, full of gratitude, full of sincere thankfulness for Mr. Harriet. Okay, and with trembling lips, the lady said to Mr. Harriet, "Oh, Mr. Harriet, how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery." So this is how the story comes to an end.